Hey Emblem heads, so today I'm going to talk about shields and what they're for and what they do. They provide a protect stat and they have a weight of 2 or some have a weight of 1. Now I've checked and weight doesn't do anything. As far as I can see is weight doesn't constrict movement, and you would think that would be the only thing you really worry about. It doesn't lower any other stat, it doesn't lower any stats at all. So I'm not sure why weight is even shown. Maybe there's a limit in the weight and certain equipment that you have in the future. I don't know, but I don't think it matters. But either way, most shields provide, in the beginning of the game, leather shield provides 1, and the iron shield provides 2 protection. And as far as I can tell, protection is the same as defense, just renamed. Defense is your overall defense on your character itself, and protection, I think, just stacks on top of that. So there's no reason for you not to have a shield or not buy them at all. It's probably within your best interest to give every character a shield. So that's where I see it. There's no reason not to have it. It just increases your defense. You might as well have it. I've been looking all over the internet to get a better description of this. The only thing that I see, only wiki that makes somewhat sense, and even they don't seem like they know for sure. It says presumability for protection, and that's what the protection stat means apparently. Presumability for protection. I don't know. I'm just going to say that I assume that it is stacked on top of your defensive stat. So it is within your best interest to have it. Give everybody a shield so they can all be shield friends. Anyways, if this video helped you, please like it and do not subscribe to me.